Hi, my name's Dave Daft and I'm here to show you how easy it is to install your new FX18 robotic cleaner. In the box you'll have your foot and you'll also have your e-box. What you want to do is clip that into position. Then next we have the plug on the end for the control. With your cable, we're going to insert into the e-box. You'll notice a little lug inside, just position that nicely. Just hand tight. Then we need our power supply plugging in. And please make sure that your power supply is a minimum of 3.5 meters away from the swimming pool water. Slowly submerge the cleaner into the pool water, doing your best to get all the air bubbles out. Then release and wait for the cleaner to fall to the bottom. Now spread the cable evenly across the pool water surface, making sure that there's enough cable so the robotic reaches the furthest point of the pool. Now just press the start and stop button and watch your cleaner start its cleaning cycle. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, always remove the robotic by the handle. Pull up vertically and allow all the water to release. After your cleaning cycle is finished, unplug your e-box from your power source, unplug the cable from the e-box and wrap up your cable neatly. Cleaning the filter, all we need to do is release and pull up the handle latch and remove the filter. At this point here we have a grey tab and we just remove the canister like so. Okay, so using your hose, just clean the filter canister like so. And then assemble filter canister back. Now that we're finished cleaning the filter, please keep your cleaner out of direct sunlight. Thanks for watching and enjoy your FX18 cleaner.